'Tis the ring of words when the right man
Oh,
plays
words.
them.
They're a classic.
All the songs when the
And
singer
word
sings
form
them.
is a classic too.
They are
Classic way to
caroled
express
and
numbers. Here we go. When writing a number in word form, you're just going to write it the same way that you would read the number. This number, when you see it, you would read it as 275. That's how you write it, 275. The same with this one. When you look at the number, you would read that 1,246. That's word form, 1,246. If there is a decimal point in the number, like with this number, then we change things up a little. So first we would read just what's on the whole number side, just the whole number side. So in this case, 2. And then the decimal point, for the decimal point, we say and. And then we read what's on the other side of the decimal point, on the decimal side. That number is 42. So we would write 42. And then to end, we end with the name of the place that the number ends in. So in this case, that's the hundredths place. It would go tenths and then hundredths. So this is 2 and 42 hundredths. If you have a number just on the decimal side and no whole number with it, like this one, then we don't need to say and for the decimal point. We only need to say and if there's whole number and decimal. If it's all decimal, then we can just leave off the and. So we're going to read what's on the decimal side, and that number is 78. That's how you would say it. That's how you write it in word form. And then the name of the place it ends in, which is the hundredths place. So this would be 78 hundredths. Let's get down some word form with this next one. First, we're going to write the number just on the whole number side, which is 421, just on the whole number side. And then decimal point, so that's and then the number on the decimal side, 6, and then the name of the place it ends in, 421 and 6 tenths. How would your reader write this number in word form? What do you think? Did you say 12 and 3 tenths? How about this one? 6 and 123 thousandths? Now you're rocking it. I'm gonna get out of here before she starts to sing. See you next time.